According to the World Travel and Tourism Council, travel in 2022 is going to be even busier than pre-pandemic times. 37% of US travelers are planning a trip domestically or abroad. Are you one of them? Or maybe you're looking for gift ideas for the traveler in your friend group or family. 2022 is right around the corner, so the time to prepare is now. If you want to make sure that all of your ducks are in a row, then please hit the like button and keep on watching. This video is part of a 4-part travel essentials series, the other videos being about tech, airport and airplane essentials, and travel wish list essentials. So if you're interested in those other topics, then the links to the videos are in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olena and I'm an English teacher in Busan, South Korea. Just to preface this, everything that I mention is in the description below and a link, and if you purchase it from the link, then it will help support the channel. And I made the travel essentials lists that match these videos. So I do a list for each category and then I do one master list. For the first and most basic product, we're going to talk about bath cases. Guys, I have gone through so many bath cases in my life and I'm never happy with anything that I get. The one that I have now is the one that I'm most satisfied with. However, I do feel like there might be something better that could be made. But yeah, I went through this little case here. I used this case. I used this case a whole lot. What I don't like about this case is 1, it's bulky, and 2, it's not plastic inside, which means that actually it is. It is plastic. Okay, never mind. Forget about that. So the one that I use right now is a plastic bucket case. And you can find many of these on Amazon. And what I really like about this is that first, it's a drawstring, which means that it draws things up. So then you have less space that you're using, and you know space is king when you're traveling. Do not put any liquids in a checked bag, guys, and make sure it fits into a 1-liter bag. Stuff gets dirty. These cases are gonna get dirty, they're gonna get tossed around, you're gonna get makeup, oil, creams on it. Please, please, please don't splurge on a bath case. Do like I do, get a really cheap plastic one that saves space. Now on to the next one. Next on our list are travel size bottles. And don't get the hard plastic ones just because they don't feel nice in the hands. They're not flexible, they're not as squeezable. I can get as much product as I can out of it before I have to clean it out. And what I also like about these is that they're faced down. Again, you can get as much product as you possibly can when they're facing down. The ones that I linked are exactly like the ones that I have. I have so many and I use them for literally everything that's liquid. So you can get them into your carry-on bag. Again, remember that they have to fit into a 1-liter bag. And don't you dare get travel-sized products. 1, because they hurt the environment and you're wasting a lot of plastic, and 2, you're wasting money. Like, just fill these bottles with products that you already have. The next bath thing that you should totally get is, first, not this for your toothbrush. Do not get this. 1, because it's bulky, it takes up too much space. And 2, not as sanitary. What I do recommend is this toothbrush cover. What I like about this, it's easy for you to pull out your toothbrush. As soon as you pull on the brush, it comes out through this, but it does securely hold your brush when you're not using it. And what I really like also is that there is a suction cup. So you can put this onto any mirror, any bathtub, shower area, just like anywhere in your bathroom. It's just way more sanitary that way. Like I have been in so many places where like, first of all, I've been in showers with no counters. If you're gonna be going into hostels, you will see that. I've been in bathrooms with gross counters and just public bathrooms in general. Like, I don't wanna be putting my stuff on there. I would rather not use any counter space, and I would rather not have to put my stuff on the floor when I'm taking a shower. This is a lifesaver. It's way more sanitary and it uses up less space. So this next item I don't currently have, but you can get it literally anywhere, and that is facial cleanser wipes. For the same reason as getting the toothbrush cover, it is just so much more germ-free. Rather than using, for example, a liquid cleanser and putting it on like some strange counter and like it not being very clean. Not only that, but that is one less liquid item you would have in your bag. You want to only have the liquid items that you cannot get in any other form in your bag. Like for example, sunblock, you can get it in like a stick form. Body soap, you can get it in a bar form. And the very last thing on our bath items for this video is a quick dry towel. Say for example, you go to the beach, this would be great. You're in a hostel, this would be great. You're in an Airbnb and not super comfortable with using towels, this would be great. And just having your towel just in case. It goes up to size 40 by 72 inches. This for me is the perfect size for a bath towel, and it is 24 by 48 inches. There's a link on the bottom. Just to preface this blog, and I made packing list, and I made the travel essentials list. Then just click on the WordPress then just click on the WordPress blog below. What I do recommend, I'm gonna toss that over there. And now on to the next one. And now on to the next one.